The clip secures your small engine's fuel lines. It secures the fuel lines to the nipples on the carburetor, fuel filter, etc. The clip can weaken over time. It can be lost or accidentally thrown away when the fuel lines are replaced. Installing a new clip is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the air filter cover so I have easier access to the fuel lines. Now I'll note the location of the fuel lines and then remove them. Next, I'll remove the fuel tank from the engine. It's not entirely necessary to remove the fuel tank, but it's easy to do, and doing so makes it much easier to service the fuel line assembly. The tank is secured with just 3 bolts. I'll go ahead and remove them. Now remove the fuel line assembly from the fuel tank. I'll use a small screwdriver to pry the grommet away from the tank. The fuel line clips are used in several places within the fuel system. Here to hold the fuel filter in place, here to connect the fuel line to the nipple, and here to connect the breather to the fuel line. To replace a clip, first I'll remove the item that the clip is securing. Now remove the clip from the fuel line. I'll install the new clip over the fuel line, and I'm going to hold it so it's about 1/8 of an inch away from the end of the line. I'll hold it in that location as I reinstall the item, in this case the fuel filter. And I would repeat this on any of the other clips that need to be replaced. Now I can reinstall the fuel line assembly. I'll apply a little 2-cycle oil to the grommet so it slides into the tank easier. And I'll use a small screwdriver to help me insert the grommet into the tank. Now I can reinstall the fuel tank. Now I'll reconnect the fuel lines. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the air filter and the air filter cover. And that's how easy it is to replace the clip on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.